CFA just made a huge announcement making it a very attractive course for Indian students. To learn more, watch this video till the end. I'm Megha Bansali, a commerce career coach. In this video today, we are going to be discussing all about CFA as a career and how it's becoming more attractive for Indian students. So first, let's understand what CFA stands for. It is Chartered Financial Analyst is what CFA stands for, and typically a CFA holder will work in the profiles of portfolio management, wealth management, investment banking, equity analyst. So these are the profiles that you will be working if you are a CFA qualified person. Now you may ask what all of this means. If I have to explain in simple language, it just means how to manage money. It could be of an individual, which is your portfolio management services, or it could be for huge company, which is called your investment banking field. So let's say, for example, I'm Reliance Industry. I come up to you and I say, I have 1,000 crores. What should I do? Should I invest in, my own sector like in oil, or should I acquire different companies? So these are the kind of analysis that you will be doing as a CFA holder, and giving analysis, giving a lot of advisory to a lot of people on how they can manage their money. So yes, it's a very, very exciting field, but let's understand what goes to become a CFA. It is considered to be one of the most difficult course in the field of finance. It's highly reputable but equally difficult. The job opportunities are quite limited because the profiles are very limited. You see, the profiles are only around investment banking, wealth management. So profiles are limited. It is quite a difficult course to pursue. CFA typically has 3 levels and it will take you 2 to 3 years to complete all the 3 levels. Level 1 is a complete MCQ. It happens 4 times during the year. So you have multiple chance to give your level 1. Level 2 again is an MCQ type of a pattern but happens only twice a year. Level 3 on the other hand is an essay type of course and it happens 2 times in a year again. So there are multiple attempts that you will get. Paper pattern is different for all of it, and the passing percentage of CFA is close to 35 to 40%. So it is quite low when you compare to other global qualifications. Now moving on to how you can pursue CFA as an Indian student. So what was the rule earlier under CFA was that you can start CFA only after you've completed your graduation. So you could typically have to spend 3 years of, let's say, a BCom or a BBA, and then you could start your CFA. But now CFA has made the course more shorter. What do I mean by that? You can now start it at the 2nd year of your graduation. So you need to have 2 years left for your graduation, and that's when you can pursue your CFA. So if I'm a student studying in BCom or BBA, BBM, which is a typical 3-year program, I can start my CFA in 2nd year of my graduation. So typically if I am a student and wanting to pursue CFA, what I would do is in my year 1, I would study for level 1, in my year 2 I would study for level 2, and in my last year of graduation I would prepare for level 3, and typically after my graduation, probably in the next 6 months, I would have completed my CFA. So CFA from being a 3 plus 3 year, 6-year course has now been shortened down to 3.5 years. So that is making the course very, very attractive and making the course more student friendly, and the attempts have also been increased. Earlier level 1 was just twice a year, now it's 4 times a year. So you get multiple opportunities to appear for the examination. So this is a huge change that CFA has made because they have understood that Indian students really want to make their career very fast in the field of finance. So I hope you have got a brief overview about CFA. In case you want to understand more in terms of opportunities, the cost, the duration, the course structure, you please feel free to reach out to me and I can help you understand all about CFA. And in case you have any small queries, you can also drop a comment below and I will be happy to take those up. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with more of your friends. And I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.